So now it's well soaked, yeah, ready to go in the pot. Pot is very hot, yeah. Still get a bit of story, you know what I mean? Pot is very hot. So you get a big spoon, one of these big spoon, a big lump like this. Shake it off. Should be that gooey, not too gooey, but like this. You hold it over the pot like that. And go like this. Just gotta be careful. Oil flies and burn you. Kids don't do this. It's supposed to be done by an adult. Be supervised by an adult. Okay? But all I'm saying, this fritters is just made from bananas that you go to the store and buy. And if you got it there and you're not using it, but you know what I mean, take care and make pattern basically. It's like the banana, instead of making it go to waste, because the credit crunch and all them stuff, you know what I mean, you gotta make use of everything that you got in your house. So like before, instead of making the banana go to waste, you just brush it up like this. Use my recipe. As I say, all you're gonna need some flour, self-raising flour, yeah, self-raising flour, yeah, any flour, but gotta be self-raising flour to give it that oof. And you're gonna need, oh wait, you're gonna need about 3 cups of self-raising flour, yeah. It all depends on how much banana you put in there, yeah, and a pinch of salt to stop it from having diarrhea, with some nutmeg. Yeah, this is nutmeg, yeah. You grate the nutmeg on it. And you got the vanilla. You put some vanilla in there. You put about 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Yeah? It all depends on how much banana you put in there. You can just like put about 5 banana. And then you got your brown sugar. Remember, brown sugar. Give it that nice sweet taste. You put about, roughly about a cup of brown sugar in there, yeah, or if you don't like it too sweet, just half a cup. So this is it now. When you put it in the pot, you just keep, use a little fork, you just keep doing it like that. You turn it over, so that look lovely, and you turn the gauge down. You turn the gauge down to about gauge 3, because if you keep it on 6, it's gonna burn, and you don't want it to burn. Yeah, you just want it to be just simmer, yeah, and you keep on doing that with a fork to get it, prevent it from sticking to the pot, to the bottom of the pot. This is my Jamaican Dutchie, you get me, they call it Dutchie, Jamaican Dutchie, you know, fry it. These are the best pot ever, yeah, these pots are the best pot ever, you know what I mean, the Caribbean Dutch pot, yeah. So while you're doing this, then you juke it. So it soak right through, so the oil soak right through. It doesn't matter if it gets dented. You just juke it so the oil soak right through it, yeah. And keep shaking it up like that. I'm telling you, this is like very tasty, yeah. And you just keep juking it, squeeze out the oil, squeeze it so it cook right through. So it cook right through. You gotta make sure it's cooked right through, yeah. You know, I got loads of recipe I can show you. Jerk chicken, fried dumpling. You just gotta look out for me on YouTube. I'm gonna be there to give you all these recipes. Yeah, just look out for Mad Wayne. Yeah, look out for me, and I got loads of stuff there. So when you get it brown like this, get it brown like that, and then you keep juking it. Supposed to look like this, yeah. You put it on a little cloth, make sure that inside is right, ready to cook. But I got one over here I've done earlier, ready. Just squeeze it out, squeeze out a bit of oil, flatten it out like that, yeah. Oh, look at that. very crispy. Look in the middle, it's not white, it's well cooked. Have you ever tasted the hot donut? It tastes similar taste to hot donuts, yeah? But this is much tastier. Yeah, you want to taste it. It's nice. You can eat like 3-4 of them if you want, because it's very tasty. So if you want, squeeze the oil out, because it takes loads of oil. So squeeze the oil out, like, you know. Once you squeeze the oil out, and you taste it. This is fritters, and this is very tasty and healthy. Yeah. So this is how you make fritters. Anytime you go shopping and you get bananas overripe, this is what you do. Yeah. Put them in the flour and thing, stir it up with the self-raising flour, salt, vinegar, and brown sugar, and nutmeg. Yeah. Get all the ingredients together. Yeah, and you never go wrong. You just stir it up, leave it to soak for a bit, and then you get the pot on, let the pot hot, leave the pot to hot, let it get real hot, and then you put it in with a big spoon, and then pop goes the weasel, you know what I mean? And you got it there, and it's very tasty, you should try it, yeah? Thank you for watching, yeah? Over and out. See you, bye.